Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to charge Sony LinkBuds using the on case. So at first you should open the case, press the button in front of it, then put it on the table. After that, take the headphones and pay attention, because the red is the right and the gray is the left. Insert them into the correct slots in the case, so right, red and gray left. Then the ears are immediately fixed. You see the orange light, it means the charging has started. All you had to do was insert the headphones in the case. But don't forget that the case must be charged too. It's powered through the USB-C port, which located at the back side of the case, and gives about 3 or 4 full charges to the headphones if it's charged itself full. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, bye!